In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up HubSpot outbound calling. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in HubSpot and what to expect so you can confidently start calling right from your CRM. Before we begin, a quick note on readiness. Make sure you're using a supported, up-to-date browser, you have a stable internet connection, and your microphone is working. If you're part of a team, your HubSpot permissions may affect what you can see here, so if anything looks different, check with your admin. Let's start in your HubSpot account home. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the settings gear icon. This is your gateway to all configuration options. Click that gear to open the settings area. You'll know you're in the right place when the left-hand sidebar shows a list of categories like general preferences and tools. Taking a moment to orient yourself here is helpful because most calling configuration lives in this section. Next, in the left sidebar, find and click on Calling. Depending on your account's layout, it may appear under a Communications or Preferences section, but it will be clearly labeled. This page is where HubSpot centralizes all calling-related configuration, and it's designed to be straightforward. You're not changing anything yet, just navigating to the spot where the calling tools are controlled and where you can review defaults later if needed. On the calling page, look for the Get Started button and click it. This takes you into HubSpot's calling setup flow. Think of this as the starting line for enabling outbound calls from within your contact, company, or deal records. From here, HubSpot will guide you with clear on-screen prompts, and you'll see options tailored to your account and region. Keep an eye out for your browser's permission requests, especially for microphone access. Granting those is essential for placing calls through your computer. If you work in a location with specific call recording or consent requirements, make sure your team's policies align with local regulations before you proceed. A few helpful tips as you move through setup. Have your headset or microphone connected and selected in your computer's audio settings, so audio checks pass smoothly. If you're part of a larger team, decide in advance how you'll handle call recording and logging preferences to keep your CRM data clean and consistent. And remember, the setup flow is designed to be forgiving. You can revisit the calling settings at any time if you need to review preferences or make adjustments later. That's the process. Open Settings, go to Calling, and click Get Started. You're now well positioned to complete the guided setup and place outbound calls directly from HubSpot.